The world's most extraordinary properties deserve the world's most extraordinary marketing. Premier Sotheby's International Realty hand selects the best print and digital publications in our regions. We target publications that focus on real estate and luxury lifestyles, from brand advertising to showcasing our listings and open houses. Our well-established regional media partnerships allow for the most exposure across print and online platforms. Marketing our listings is a priority, but most importantly, it is our role as a company to provide an extraordinary experience for our buyers and sellers. It's just as important that we have a strong local marketing plan, from 12-page newspaper listing ads to high-end magazine spreads promoting our brand and culture. We have strategic partnerships with prominent local media throughout Florida and North Carolina, designed to drive engagement and leads. We partner with and distribute properties to the most significant media companies in the world, from the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times and Apple TV to Jawai.com and more. Our properties are viewed an outstanding 200 million times annually across all of our partner sites. Your home will experience immediate syndication through an unrivaled network of prominent real estate websites. Since 90% of all buyers begin their search for residential real estate online, our digital presence is a priority. Our beautiful listings are presented with the highest quality photography, video, and 3D virtual reality walkthroughs. This ensures quality control and maximum engagement, providing the white glove standard of service for all our sellers at every price point. That's the result of an extensive investment in advertising and our focus on telling the story of each unique home. Our website offers full-screen high-definition videos, high-resolution photography, market reports, 17 language options, multiple currencies, and features lifestyles and destinations. We understand that marketing your property is our priority. It deserves nothing less than the best. With an in-house team of over 25 marketing specialists, Premier Sotheby's International Realty provides a comprehensive suite of print, digital, social media and public relations services, tailored to promote each unique property to a targeted audience of qualified buyers. We will never forget who we are, the local brokerage with the global reach, the one with the enduring brand and storied heritage that began in 1744. We market the homes of the best customers in the world, you.